Hey queens, I'm here to show you how to get this look using our 3-step sparkle system, but we have a half magic fan. This is going to cut your dry time down in half, and hello, look how cute. Wear your heart on your face. Okay, we're going to use our Chroma Addiction matte, shimmer, and glitter pill. First, I'm going to be using Chroma Addiction matte in Crown Please. Using the doe foot applicator, I'm just going to swipe it over the eyes and drag it out to create a wing. Typically, our Chroma Addiction eye paints dry in 60 seconds. With this half magic fan, it'll drop it to 30. Next, we're going to layer on Chroma Addiction shimmer in Fairies Are Real. We formulated our Chroma Addiction eye paints to be able to layer on top of each other without getting muddy. And we're going to make sure our layers are fully dried down before moving to the next step. For the last layer, we're going to be using Glitter Pill in Neptune Daddy. With this last step of the sparkle system, we're going to achieve that multi-dimensional eye look. And one last time, we're going to dry it down with our battery-operated handheld fan. And here's the completed look. I'm really going to get in there to show you all that sparkle. Okay, thanks for watching.